Ever feel like your office printer is, I don't know, just out to get you sometimes?
Oh, definitely. The classic battle.
Right. Or you wish that amazing presentation could just, well, magically beam onto the big screen without fighting cables.
Yeah, the pre-meeting tech scramble.
Exactly. Well, today we're going to cut through some of that common office frustration. We're diving into the IOH Smart Device Connector app. The idea is it puts all that power controlling printers, projectors, you name it, right in your hand, literally in your pocket.
It's designed to be that personal bridge, isn't it, between your phone or tablet and, yeah, all that sometimes complicated office gear.
Multifunction printers, projectors, even interactive whiteboards. It's like a shortcut to making it all work together seamlessly.
And our mission today really is to get under the hood. How does this app actually work? What can you do with it?
Right.
And maybe most importantly, how does it change the standard way we interact with these devices? We want to get into the why it matters for workflows, for productivity.
Yeah, streamlining things. Because those little tech hurdles, they add up.
They really do.
And I think folks might be surprised not just by how, well, easy they claim the connection is, but the sheer range of stuff you can do. It's way beyond just hitting print.
Definitely more than meets the eye initially.
So let's get into it. Unpacking this easy connection idea. How does the app actually link your phone or tablet to a Ricoh machine? Is it complex?
Well, that's one of the interesting parts. They've built in several pretty quick ways to do it, so you're not locked into one method.
Okay.
For example, if you've got an Android phone with NFC, you literally just tap it.
Just tap it on the printer.
Right on the Ricoh device. That's it. Or there's Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE, simple pairing for a quick link.
And for iPhones, or if you don't have NFC?
Good question. They've got QR codes. The Ricoh machine displays a unique code. You scan it with the app works for both iOS and Android. Pretty universal.
Okay, tap, scan. Sounds easy enough. What about like a more permanent setup?
Yeah, for those cases, you can still go the traditional route, sort of. Manually enter the IP address or the host name of the device on the network.
Right. But here's something that jumped out at me. Does using this app mean my phone needs to be on the company Wi-Fi? Because getting guest access or registering a personal device can sometimes be a whole process.
Ah, that's a key point and probably a big relief for many. The app actually allows a direct connection to the printer.
Oh, direct. So bypassing the main network.
Exactly. Without needing to register your smart device on the organization's main network.
Wow.
Which really simplifies access, boosts flexibility for quick tasks. Think about visitors needing to print something quickly.
Or just me running into a meeting room needing to print one page.
Precisely. And it potentially eases the load on IT, too. Fewer requests for temporary network access. It's more about secure point-to-point connection in that sense.
That sounds incredibly useful. So, okay, we're connected. Tap, scan, whatever. What can we actually do? Printing is the obvious first one. What's the scope there? Beyond just, a photo from my phone.
The printing options are pretty broad. Yes, standard documents and images from your device's storage. That's table stakes.
Sure.
But the big one is printing directly from cloud storage. Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive.
So I don't need to download the file first?
Nope. Print straight from the cloud via the app. It also handles printing emails and their attachments directly from email accounts you register in the app.
Okay.
And even web pages. If you're browsing a page within the app's built-in browser, you can print that too.
What about more traditional setups? Print servers.
It supports printing from a print server as well, so it integrates there too.
Okay, that cloud printing is definitely interesting. But what about controlling the job itself? Am I just hitting print blindly, or can I tweak settings?
No, you get quite a bit of control.
Like copies, color.
Yep. Number of copies, color versus monochrome, paper size selection, even duplex printing on both sides, all adjustable from your phone or tablet.
And file types. Does it handle things like Word docs or PDFs easily?
Yes, and that's crucial. It specifically supports printing Microsoft Office documents directly. Word, Excel, PowerPoint. That covers a lot of daily needs without needing to convert files first.
That is genuinely useful. Cuts down on steps. Okay, so that's getting things out. Let's flip it. What about getting physical documents in? Scanning.
Right, the reverse flow, super important. The app handles that too.
How does that work?
You use a Ricoh MFP, the multifunction printer, to scan your paper documents. But instead of saving to a USB stick or a network folder, you can save the scanned data directly to your smart device.
Oh, okay. Straight to my phone storage.
To your phone, or, again, directly up to those same cloud services. Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive.
And can I control the scan settings, like resolution or file format?
Absolutely. You can choose the file format. Common ones like JPEG or PDF, set the resolution, and specify the scanning size, all from the app interface before you hit scan on the MFP.
Okay, that makes sense. And what if I need to send that scan to someone right away? Can I email it from the machine?
Yes, and this is where the integration feels pretty neat. You can initiate sending the scanned data via email through the MFP,
Right.
but you use your smart device's address book to pick the recipients.
So I don't have to type email addresses on the little MFP screen.
Exactly. It pulls from your contacts much faster and less error-prone. It really streamlines that whole scan-to-email workflow.
Yeah, that avoids the whole scan to USB, walk to PC, email from PC dance.
Precisely.
Okay, printing, scanning. What about basic copying? Seems simple, but is there anything smart there?
Even for copying, the remote aspect is convenient. You can set up the copy job from your phone.
Number of copies, things like that.
Yeah, number of copies, color or mono, simplex or duplex, and then a nice little efficiency booster. You can save frequently used copy settings as favorites.
Oh, like monthly report specs.
Exactly. Tap your favorite, hit copy, speeds things up for recurring tasks.
That makes sense. Now, thinking about collaboration, which is huge these days.
Yeah.
How does this app play with projectors or those big interactive whiteboards? That feels like a different beast than just printing.
It is, and it's a really important capability for modern meetings. For compatible Ricoh projectors, you can project content directly from your smart device.
What kind of content?
Documents, images, emails, and their attachments, even web pages from the X browser, or files straight from your cloud storage.
So potentially no need to even bring a laptop to the meeting room for a quick presentation.
Potentially, yes. For many common scenarios, your phone or tablet is enough.
And the interactive whiteboards, how does it integrate there?
With compatible Ricoh interactive whiteboards, you can display your files, again from a device or cloud. But the really clever part is the two-way street.
What do you mean?
If people annotate or draw on the whiteboard over your document,
Yeah.
you can then save that annotated version, the whiteboard content, with the notes directly back to your smart device or up into the cloud.
Oh, wow. So it captures the collaborative work digitally.
Exactly. It bridges that physical brainstorming on the board with the digital record. Really powerful for saving meeting outputs.
That is clever.
Okay.
So we've covered printing, scanning, copying, projecting, collaborating. It feels like this app touches almost everything these devices do. What does this mean for just, like, managing the device itself?
Yeah, it goes beyond just initiating tasks. It offers deeper control and management features, too.
Such as?
Well, user authentication, for one. You can use your smart device to log into the machines securely.
Instead of typing a password on the panel.
Right. It can also automatically search for available Ricoh devices on the same network, so finding the right printer or projector is easier.
Okay.
And here's a big one for convenience, maybe even for IT folks.
Yeah.
You can actually configure machine settings from the smart device.
You mean like network settings or paper tray settings?
Yeah.
Without using the control panel?
Exactly. Change settings remotely. And similar to copying, you can save sets of configurations as favorites for quick setup later.
That could be really handy. Any other key functions?
There's fax functionality too. You can set up and send faxes via the MFP, specifying settings on your phone and, again, using your phone's address book for recipients.
Still relevant for some industries?
Definitely. And finally, you can access the machine's web image monitor.
That's like the web page for checking status.
Precisely. Check toner levels, see error messages, device status, all from your phone without having to walk over to the machine or log in from a desktop.
So putting it all together,
Yeah.
the aim seems to be creating a really tight loop between your personal device and the office hardware.
That's the core idea. It's about providing a secure, efficient way to manage documents, yes, but also to just generally streamline all those little interactions with office equipment, making it easier, faster, and more mobile-centric.
Cutting down on those micro frustrations, as you said.
Yeah, those little moments that steal time and focus throughout the day, they add up.
So recapping the main takeaway here. The Ricoh Smart Device Connector app isn't just a remote control app. It feels more like it's truly integrating your phone, arguably your most personal piece of tech, with professional office gear. It cuts down steps, seems to boost efficiency, smooth out friction points across a whole bunch of tasks. Printing, scanning, presenting, managing the device.
That's right. And it's not just about convenience, though that's a big part. It's also about enabling secure, efficient workflows that are genuinely mobile first. It kind of untethers you from needing to be physically at the device for many operations.
Making complex interactions feel more intuitive.
Exactly.
It makes you think.
Consider how this level of integrated mobile control could fundamentally change how you approach your workday. Not just with printers, but anywhere you interact with connected devices. What other daily tasks, maybe outside the typical office setup, could really benefit from this kind of seamless connection back to your phone? Something to ponder.